Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the electroconduction system of the heart. We already know that the heart is able to create its own electrical impulse and control the route the impulse take via a specialized conduction pathway. This conduction systems of this heart consist of cardiac muscle cells, conducting fibers, and these are specialized for initiating the impulse and conducting them this through the heart. And during this, they initiate a normal cardiac cycle and coordinate the contractions of cardiac chambers. Both the atria and also do the ventricles, but the atrial contraction occurs the first. The conduction system provides the heart its automatic rhythmic beat, that is, the automatic rhythm takes place for the heart to pump efficiently and the systemic and pulmonary circulations to operate in synchrony. The events in the cardiac cycle must be coordinated. Then the conduction pathway made of 5 elements. You just note the figures. First one is the sinoatrial node or the SA node. Second is the atrioventricular node. Third is the bundle of His. Fourth is the left and right bundle branches. Fifth is the Purkinje fibers. These are the 5 conduction pathway made of 5 elements. And we have to just note the working of this. That is, the electrical impulse from your heart muscle cause your heart to beat contract. That is the myocardium. This electrical signal begins in the SA node. That is, you just note this is SA node. It is located at the top of the right atrium. That is the right auricle. Then the SA node is sometimes called as the natural pacemaker. That is, when an electrical impulse is released from this natural pacemaker, it causes the auricle to contract. The electrical stimulus from the SA node eventually reaches the AV node. That is, it reaches the AV node and is delayed briefly so that the contracting auricle have enough time to pump all the blood into the ventricles. The impulse leaves the AV node through the bundle of His. The fibers in this bundle, known as the Purkinje fibers, after a short distance split into 2 branches to initiate action potentials simultaneously in the 2 ventricles. And these are the basic working in the electroconduction system of the heart.